As a developer, the most important thing for us is understanding the consumer, and anything that assesses the consumer and helps us understand them provides real value. When you're putting down a new property into an existing space, we want to understand where consumers were coming from and then how they would engage with the property, where we should put escalation and movement and flows. So what Space Syntax did was they analysed the existing environment, helped us understand where consumers were coming from, the directions they were taking into the city, so that we could engage with them in the correct way. It gives you accurate information and data that stands rigor and informs your decision making.
Space Syntax, I think, explain and analyse and demonstrate the fundamental qualities of all settlements, cities, towns, villages, why they are the way they are, how they work for us, and therefore how they contribute enormously to sustainability in our future.
The road and the subway has effectively severed the communities to the north, south, east and west, one from each other. And the project we worked on with the Space Syntax was intended to try and re-knit together the communities and the heart of the Elephant Castle with the surrounding environment.
It would point out how and demonstrate very graphically how, as a result of us doing something in one particular place, making a new connection or 2 or 3 new connections, we were also facilitating the development of the town in other places a considerable distance away.
Space Syntax fundamentally helped us to understand the way in which people use the area at the moment and how we could promote a scheme to Transport for London which would help transform that completely and provide much better connections and public realm for the residents and the people that we want to attract into the area in the future. Space Syntax is creating successful places.
Space Syntax is scientific, expert and innovative.
I think Space Syntax is an enormously important role in making the urban environment of the future a human one.